Are you tired of spending hours chopping up one long video just to create a steady stream of short, platform-ready clips? It sounds like a massive amount of work, but I'm about to show you a method that completely skips most of that busy work. Hey, I'm Alex, and my mission is helping creators like you stop drowning in editing and start pushing out more content. To truly reach more people, you need lots of snackable moments that are designed to get watched, shared, and reposted everywhere. That's exactly where a tool like Vizard steps in to change the game for you. Just a quick heads up, this isn't a deep technical dive into every single button on the software. Instead, we are doing a straightforward, practical walkthrough on using an AI-first tool to handle the heavy lifting. You can absolutely still keep full manual control, but this approach is perfect for speed without ever sacrificing quality. So, why should you even bother repurposing your content like this? The truth is, platforms reward creators who consistently deliver both volume and relevance to their audience. A single long video can easily transform into dozens of short, high-impact clips, driving views right back to the main feature. The old pain points, hunting for good moments, trimming, adding captions, and scheduling, are now all automated away. This tool acts like having a tiny, incredibly diligent editing assistant working for you 24/7. The first major step is simple. Just upload your long video and let the artificial intelligence start doing the heavy lifting. The software analyzes the entire file, intelligently detecting high-energy spots, topic shifts, and emotionally engaging segments. Instead of manually scrubbing through an hour of footage to find one good 30-second segment, the AI surfaces those moments immediately. While it's not perfect every single time, it's surprisingly effective at finding the best jokes, reveals, and advice nuggets. Once the analysis is complete, Vizard presents you with a whole set of proposed short clips ready for action. These aren't just random cuts. They are already optimized for specific platform formats like vertical for Reels or square for Shorts. Each suggested clip comes preloaded with suggested in-out points, a headline draft, and automated captions. You can quickly scan them all, deciding immediately whether to accept, tweak, or reject the AI's suggestion. This review process saves you an enormous amount of time compared to launching a full editor to trim everything by hand. You should still take a moment to glance over the captions because AI can occasionally mishear slang or proper nouns. The fantastic news is that editing those generated captions is totally painless. Just click, edit the text, and you are instantly done. For wider reach, you can easily export transcripts to use a translator or leverage the tool's own features for localized subtitles. That optional translation step is a great multiplier if you are aiming to connect with non-English speaking audiences. Moving on to step 3, you'll want to tweak things just a bit for maximum style and clarity. You might need to shorten an opening line slightly or add a quick text overlay to clarify a specific piece of context. Remember, small, strategic edits will always lift your performance way faster than trying to craft every single clip perfectly from scratch. Now for step 4, which is one of the absolute best parts, auto-scheduling and forgetting about it almost entirely. You simply tell the system how frequently you want your new content to go live, and it builds a consistent publishing cadence for you. This feature completely frees you from manual uploads and all the guesswork involved in finding the perfect post time. While the system creates a schedule, you always maintain the power to preview the calendar and rearrange anything you need to. If you want a true set it and forget it workflow, this automated scheduling option truly delivers on that promise. Step 5 introduces the content calendar, which acts as your primary command center for all outgoing content. From this calendar, you can manage posts, make last-minute tweaks, or reassign a clip to a different platform entirely. Need the exact same clip to go out as a reel one day and a TikTok the next with a slightly different caption? You can manage that right here. If a clip unexpectedly underperforms, you can swap it out quickly without losing track of what went where and when. As you build your workflow, I always share a few practical tips that make the whole process even smoother. Always default your primary language and metadata settings early on so that auto-detection works seamlessly from the start. Make sure you craft a simple, punchy headline for every clip because that's the hook viewers see in their feed previews. When you need to repurpose text content, be sure to export the transcripts so you can easily grab snippets for blogs or newsletters. Now, let's be real for a moment about what else is out there on the market. Competitors like Descript are amazing for transcript-first editing, but they can get pricey and sometimes feel like overkill for clip generation. Other services promise one-click edits but fail to deliver scheduling or a useful content calendar, forcing you to juggle multiple apps. Crucially, some apps produce sloppy clips because they only cut by silence or basic timecodes, ignoring emotional beats. This tool finds that perfect sweet spot, faster than heavy editing suites, more capable than simple clip generators, and built specifically for the long-to-short workflow. I do have a small caveat to share. Auto-generated clips are a massive shortcut, but they can never fully replace your thoughtful content strategy. The AI finds the gems, but you still need to strategically decide what fits your brand and which platforms you prioritize. Use the AI to powerfully scale your execution, not to substitute for your actual creative judgment. For creators working across different languages, the transcript and caption exports are invaluable for expansion. While machine translation is convenient, always remember that a native speaker reviewing the final captions will look and feel significantly better. Think of the machine-generated output as the super-fast, high-quality first draft of your distribution plan. To summarize a typical session, you upload, let the AI generate, quickly review and tweak the clips, and then manage captions. Finally, you schedule everything via the calendar or auto-schedule and export transcripts for all your other repurposing needs. So, is using this approach kind of like cheating? Yes, but it is cheating in the absolute smartest way possible. If your main goal is getting your ideas out to more people without completely burning out, leveraging AI for repetitive tasks is simply smart business. You still maintain complete control over your voice, overall direction, and all the final creative decisions. If you ever get stuck trying this out, leave a comment or ask someone in the community because creators are always sharing great optimization tips. A major red flag for me is any tool that makes it hard to preview captions or export raw transcripts. Those should be standard features. If this has been helpful at all, please hit that like button so other creators can discover this method. And definitely subscribe if you want more practical, non-technical strategies on how to scale your video output easily. Alright, I'm signing off now to go batch another upload and let the magic run. Try this process on your very next long video and see just how much hidden content you can pull out without rewatching the whole thing. I guarantee you will be surprised by the sheer amount of ready-to-post content hiding inside one recording.